Live from my sky nest of surveillance shame, it's ransomware news, because the forest has eyes and Wi-Fi. Malware might crash networks, but I crash drones on purpose. Apps NW got slammed, Their apps are now Oops NW. Even my leaf calendar loads faster. Blanco Creek got free range encrypted. Guess them chickens finally crossed the firewall. Bouey Black LLP just got subpoenaed by the dark web. Court is now in encryption session. Briar Group's POS just got KO'd at Bays. No pints, no receipts, just encrypted vibes on tap. DA Whitaker's plans just got scrambled like squirrel brunch now. Ransomware hit them harder than fallen 2x4s. Havtech PA just got blown offline. Their HVAC's fried, and now the only thing ventilated is their firewall. High Point treatment. Their systems need more help than I do, and I talk to Bark. Morrow's cranes are down, and so is their data. Guess it's hard to lift steel beams when your files are zip bombs. Team Signal just lost all bars, Dan, and I don't mean cell service, I mean every single server crashed harder than my squirrel dating app. Kansas lawyers just got ransomwared so hard, their case files filed for bankruptcy. Justice.exe not found. Worldwide travel just took a detour straight to Encryptistan. Bags lost, data lost, vibes cursed. Broadcasting from a half-eaten server room deep in the woods. Looks like Blue Ridge Senior Living of Richmond got stomped by ransomware. Lock your doors and your ports. And you wonder why I live off-grid. You guys, the forest is under digital siege. The squirrels are screaming. Let me break it down.
Care STL's flatlined, Heartline is NOTOK, Protex got system shock. Bigfoot prescribes, bark-based backup, stat.
Fassy Valves blew a gasket, VRE composted files, Great Lakes just spilled it all. Swamp vibes, swamp security.
Hitachi shorted out, ICM flipped, DTX got drilled and Raisins files, gone like fog, case closed. SPG bulldozed, Titan tipped, Bronzecraft rusted, Windsor fell off the hinges. Structural cyber fails everywhere.
Quantum Innovations, Reliable Controls, CSAS, all got roasted like acorns in a bonfire. Security as a service. More like chaos as a service.
Coming in from Drone Tree Central Watt, KA Logistics just had a major delivery. Ransom.payload.exe. Fast shipping, no tracking. From my off-grid ICU, Sanderling Healthcare just got an injection of malware. Forget Hippolyte, meet Hack PA. Paging Dr. Firewall. Coming to you live from the Barrel Broadband Bunker Tab. Palm Bay got corked. Ransomware really said no more Merlot data flow. Next time, encrypt your Pinot. Reporting from my jungle job site, DA Whitaker's systems just collapsed harder than a Jenga tower on payday. Ransomware poured the concrete and the chaos. Broadcasting from under my mossy blueprint lair, dang. Entech just got hit harder than a collapsed suspension bridge. Civil, mechanical, critical failure. Yo! Live from the Datadrone Nest Lair, Naz, it's ransomware news. Where the hacks are wild and the signal's mostly forest screams. Hey! Bouey Black just filed a motion to panic Cetacean. They got ransomwared and I ate their briefcase. Live from the Vine Choke Vortex machine, Havtech just got hit with ransomware, ate odor than a lava moose. Cooling? Nah, this thing's running full cryptic combustion. Oh my God! High Point just got their chakras encrypted, and I owe the breach energies, baby. Reporting from the sky on a crane made of regrets. Morrow equipment just got ransomware dropped. Backup plans. Gravity has won. Yo, it's Bigfoot, and I'm broadcasting from my SPF Fortress stack. Southwest Florida Dermatology just got digitally roasted. Hope they've got ransom from the Bark Bar Bunker. This Bigfoot on tap, and the Briar Group just got cyber hammered. Last call for unsecured servers.
Reporting from the legal jungle Teth, Dunlap Cotting just got subpoenaed by malware. Case closed, data sealed. The only thing encrypted now is attorney-client privilege.
Straight from my wiretap Whirlpool town, Astro's systems are fried like a motherboard marshmallow. Zap zap, no more bandwidth. Houston, we have a ransom. Fresh out the forest oven. Crumbl got cooked? Cookies? Nah, they're serving warm batches of ransomware now. Digital crumbs never lead to good cookies. Live from the chiropractic crypt today, Emerson's network just threw its back out, adjusted straight into ransomware. Can't spine-align a corrupted server. From my frostbitten firewall, post-OP's data just got iced. Cryotherapy meets cry for helpware. They treat pain, now they feel it. Reporting live from the spa where stress levels are encrypted. Salamander Resort just got hacked harder than a Groupon massage chair. From the HVAC underbrush, Seasons 4's network just caught a cold in every season. Malware, the real climate threat. Winter, spring, ransomware, and fall. Coming to you live from the Court of Corrupted Appeals, Jay. Gallon, Takacs, and Boissoneault just got served with malware. Broadcasting from the ruins of fiscal trust. New American Funding just got their loan files foreclosed by malware. That's the breach, the beef, and the Bigfoot. Smash that like button before the forest firewall goes down again. And remember, if you didn't see me, you still got hacked.